Hello everyone, this is Chinmay from Make Auto Clinic. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what is the exactly problem inside the engine when you assemble the engine. So this is the problem generally which you face when you're fitting or assembling the internal spare parts like gearbox and other related spare parts. The plastic cup which is given inside the engine, which is given particularly for lubrication purpose and specifically given for kick shaft gear, right? So let's just check out the video and I hope you will like the video. So these are the cup foundations. These are three holes with the threads, and this is the kickshaft gear, and these are the Allen bolts. These are SS. These are Allen bolts which I found inside the engine when I opened the engine. It happens just because that because of the vibrations, those bolts or screws comes out of the foundation. So for this you will be requiring 4 mm Allen T. I'm very much specific about this. You won't be able to use Allen key inside because that area is very much cozy. This is the cup. This is the older cup. I will show you the damage. As you can see on the top, this one got scrubbed because of the gear teeth. And from inner side, as you can see, this is the spare. This is the point where it has got scrubbed very badly, and another point, as you can see, completely removed. So if it leaks, then the lubrication won't go till the kickshaft gear and to the shaft. So this is the new spare. It's not that costly, exactly same, but it is required and it is important. That is the reason that they have given in the engine. So the design is like that way. So the cup will be fitted like this way. You'll be requiring 3 Allen bolts. Now you have to use special chemical for this. This is the Loctite. I'm using thread locker. Company doesn't give thread locker or thread lock inside the bolt, so that is the reason those bolts comes out of the foundation. So we are going to use thread locker. I'm so sorry that I don't have the tripod today, so unfortunately you will see a lot of unstable video. Anyways, I hope you guys will like the video. So this is the Loctite. Remember, when you are applying thread locker on the bolts or on the screws, you should not touch the tip of that nozzle or the bottle to the metal, otherwise it will get hard at the mouthpiece itself. So I'm just going to apply some drop on the bolt, on the SS bolt. 3 bolts as I mentioned, so you will have to apply thread locker on 3 bolt, and that is also at the starting point. In the middle area you don't require, because that middle area is not going to tight anything, or it is not a threaded portion. The plastic is completely threadless, so the only threads are given to the crankcase. So just apply some thread locker on the thread. Can't do it by one hand, but I'm trying my level best to show you guys. Just apply some amount. If it is excessive, then just remove it. So I'm just going to split since it's excessive. So I'm just going to split this thread locker on another bolt. Focus is the problem because I'm holding by one hand. As you can see, the thread lock is, or the liquid is on the top or on the tip of the bolt or the screw. The engine is safe and sound, and fortunately it didn't come in between the 2 gears, otherwise that would have messed up a lot. It would have showed broken crankcase and broken gears and everything. Since it's an SS, so it's already hard. So I have just splitted the chemical on another bolt. For this you will have to use Allen T. Don't use Allen key, as I mentioned. If you have the ratchet, then nothing like it, you can use that as well, but not Allen key, because the area is very much cozy. Also, important thing, one more thing which I would like to mention over here, you don't need to use any torque wrench over here. Hand tight is fine, but not over tight. If you try to over tight, then the plastic may split. So best is to just use your hand torque. It's enough for the tightening purpose. This problem I found in many engines, many UC engines. Just going to wipe it off, which was there on the surface. Make sure you're not dripping any drop of Loctite or thread locker inside the engine. It will, it will get hard inside. So I'm just going to apply some on the third one. There are 3 bolts. As usual, excessive, just because that I don't have tripod, so I'm just using my single hand to do the job. But anyways, what I wanted to show you, that's more important. So I'm just going to use my hand torque. Hand tightening is enough for such job. You don't need any torque wrench. Even though it is specified in the manual how much torque is required, so I'm not going to use. Number one, I don't have smaller torque wrench. Number two, I don't feel it is necessary to even if I have the torque wrench to use at this point, because it's a plastic. Even after using the torque, those bolts came out. I mean, the company must have used the torque wrench over here, so even after using the torque, those bolts came out. That means it's useless. The main point is what you have to use the thread locker or the liquid. So here those bolts were laying around and the cup got stuck up in between the gear. The bolts were at the bottom. Thank God it didn't come in between two teeth, otherwise that would have made mess. And I hope you will like the video. Thanks guys for watching the video. I hope you like the information. I hope you will do the same when you are working on the engine, when you are assembling the engine. You may find the spare parts inside the engine like the way I found. So anyways, I'm working on the engine, so I have cleared the matter. So I couldn't show you. I'm sorry for that the spares, how they were laying around inside the engine. But this remedy you will do, and without forget you will apply the solution while assembling the engine. Thanks for watching and have a great day.